Okay, here's my bike check of my recent bike build of an Panza Colt shorty frame. 21-inch top tube. This is actually his frame, his signature frame. Well, one of them. I think it's about 5 or something like that. So an Panza Colt shorty frame. I've got some Colt forks on it. Everything's full chrome on it. I've got some Colt 165 crank arms. Colt pedals, Colt DAX pedals, a rant seat post. I think I went for a, let's check out the seat, glasses needed. Federal seat, yep, got it now. Colt stem, Colt headset, Colt granny grips, I like Colt granny grips, Colt crew bars. I've got some Colt wheel protectors on there. What else? Let's flip this around and see. You can see the other side. Nice close-up view there. .25 tooth sprocket. When I was building it, I ran out of chains, so I picked up the spare chains I had, and I nearly had enough for a full half link, but I was a little bit short, so I've got some chrome ones in there. Doesn't notice, but I thought, well, I'll leave it in there. It's a little bit different. It's fine. I've got some G Sport double wall rims. Get that right. Vans camo tyres. Thought the blue would go quite good with the frame. And that's it. Full chrome molly. Yeah, 25 tooth sprocket. Shadow bottom bracket. There you go. Just a bit missing shadow bottom bracket. And I've got some Colt bearing hubs on there, bearing protectors too. So yeah, that's the bike. So let's give you a go over of it. All in spanking condition, not really used it and abused it, but I do ride it. Looks pretty cool, if I may say so myself. So that's the Panza shorty frame. It's not the current version. I think the current version is pink. This is about a year and a half, 2 years old, something like that. But still very cool. Definitely a head turner. And there you have it, the bike build. Thanks for watching.